Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you want to learn Excel from zero and become a data analyst, this series is for you. This is day 1 of our Excel learning journey. And what is Excel? Excel is a tool used to store, organize, and analyze data. It is widely used in offices, businesses, and data analysis. First, open Microsoft Excel on your laptop. This is the icon of Microsoft Excel. We click on this and first open blank workbook. It is a workbook. Whole page is workbook. Now let's understand the interface. This top screen is called the ribbon. It contains options like home, insert, draw, page layout, formulas, data review, view help, data streamer, PowerPoint, Power Pivot. These are the rows like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the rows and these are the columns A, B, C, D. These are the columns. And this box is called cell. And this is the name of cell D4. D is column and 4 is row, and this is the name of cell. Now enter some data like name, roll number, and class. This is the cell, and each cell each cell has a different name. This is a A1, B1, and C1. In the You can enter any data like this in the workbook. To move between cell, press enter. Let's suppose I am adding one cell in a single column. You can just click on insert and here is new column is add. Suppose I want to give this number the name of the cell. Let's suppose the column number is like column number. You can simply type 1, 2 and select both of and drag it down. Yeah, Excel is very smart. It's automatically drag the number. You can also click and drag, select multiple cells. Let's suppose 13, I want more. Then click and drag to select multiple cell. Yeah, this was day 1 of Excel basics. In a day 2 we will continue learning more about Excel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow this series. Thank you so much.